Hello and welcome back to Twinkl Kids TV. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a horse. We're going to start by using a pencil to mark out some basic shapes, then finish by going over it with a pen. So make sure you've got everything you need and then let's get started. To start off, draw a big oval on its side in the middle of your page. For your horse's neck, draw 2 lines coming out of the top corner of your oval. Now, of course, your horse needs a head, so draw a circle at the top of the lines you've just created, followed by a slightly smaller circle just off to the side of the last one. If you connect the circles with a line either side, you will see that the shape of your horse's head is really coming together. To draw the front leg, draw a curved line that goes from the top to just past the bottom of the oval. Then carry on the line a bit further, but this time straighten the line out. Draw a little triangle at the bottom of your line. Can you guess what this is going to be? Now, do exactly the same again, but this time near the back of your horse. We can't forget the horse's tail. Draw a wiggly line coming out of the back of the oval. Then finally, draw 2 little leaf shapes on top of the horse's head. Now your horse has ears. As you've got this far, why don't you subscribe to make sure you never miss any of our amazing Twinkl Kids TV videos. You can also click the bell to be the first to find out when we've uploaded. Now we have our basic shapes, it's time to pick up your pen to add the finishing lines to your horse. Start off by outlining the ear that looks closest to you, adding in a little curve to add more detail. Follow the curve of your horse's head from the ear all the way down to the mouth. You can put in a little curve to show where your horse's nose is too. Carry on tracing your horse's head, carrying the lines on so they follow the neck down and meet the body. Now you can go over the curved line you made earlier, adding in a second line just behind it but following the same shape. When your line reaches the bottom, draw a little dent inwards before going around the triangle and matching up with the other line. Now, do exactly the same with the back leg. However, this time, create a little right angle where your curved line meets the straight line. To draw the final legs in, repeat the lines you've just made a little bit in front of the finished legs. Now the legs are complete, you can add some little curved lines to the bottom to show where the horse's coat stops. Trace over your wiggly line that you made for the tail, adding in a few more for definition. Make sure the tail looks big and bushy. You can give your horse a funky hairstyle by doing similar curved lines in front and behind of the ears, carrying on the curved lines down the horse's neck. Add in some icicle shapes under the neck to show the horse's long hair hanging down. And don't forget to fill in that other ear. To give your horse an eye, draw a semicircle with a line underneath it. You can then draw 2 little circles inside of it, only colouring in the bigger one to show the light reflecting from its eye. And there you have your amazing finished horse. We hope you've loved your time here at Twinkl Kids TV today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more in our How to Draw series.